Hello guys, I'm so excited. It finally arrived. I got a Labubu. This guy, it was very hard to get. This one actually my husband got it for me, and it's going to be my first one that I'm going to be opening. And I really want this guy right here. I believe it's Luck. I'll be happy with any of them, but Luck definitely surprise. Love and Loyalty. But the reason why I really want this one is because I have this bag that would look perfect with that purple one. So yeah, let's manifest and hope that this is going to be that one. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. So let's open this. I did it. There's no going back. I think, oh, this thing is like this. I'm not gonna look, but I want to see the card. Okay, got it. Let me feel. Is it? Look! It's a secret! Let's see. You guys are gonna see it first. What is it? Okay, so it's not luck, but it's love. And I also like this one, so yeah. What do you guys think? How cute! To the next one!